That iconic Costco rotisserie chicken, a delicious, convenient lifesaver, but what if you're tired of just eating it as is? Today, we're unlocking the incredible versatility and value of this fan favorite with a whirlwind of ideas for quick weeknight dinners, vibrant salads, and satisfying sandwiches, maximizing every flavorful shred. First, let's get that chicken prepped. Grab 2 forks and shred the meat. You'll want to remove the skin if you prefer, or chop it up finely for extra flavor in some dishes. For a super fast meal, a simple chicken salad is a winner. Mix your shredded chicken with mayonnaise, celery, onion, a pinch of salt and pepper, and maybe some Dijon mustard for a kick. Pile it high on your favorite bread or in lettuce cups for a lighter option. Leftover bones, don't toss them. They're gold for homemade chicken broth. Toss them in a pot with some carrots, celery, onion, and herbs. Simmer for a few hours, strain, and you have a nutritious base for soups and stews. Or, go for a classic chicken pasta bake. Combine your shredded chicken with cooked pasta, your favorite sauce Alfredo, marinara, even pesto. Top with cheese and bake until bubbly. For lunch, a hearty chicken Caesar salad is unbeatable. Toss greens with your chicken, croutons, parmesan, and a creamy Caesar dressing. And don't forget tacos. Sprinkle shredded chicken into warm tortillas with your favorite toppings for a quick and crowd-pleasing meal. From perfectly seasoned main courses to flavorful additions to your favorite dishes, this humble rotisserie chicken offers endless possibilities, proving its value far beyond just a simple meal. So next time, grab that rotisserie chicken and get ready to transform it into something truly delicious.